Hello all, welcome to Jayanth'S Academy. Today we are doing a vlog, or probably I can call this is a J-log. Where will this road go, Alok?
This road leads to Magadi.
Oh, this road leads to Magadi. Nice. Today we are going in search of free food. Not everything you can purchase through money. The world is becoming like this. Everything is only through money. So today we'll go in search of free food, free photo shoot, or explore the places that is not been explored in Bangalore, and also some life lessons. So Alok, shall we go?
Yes, we are on the way already.
We are on the way. Alok, I think we missed the route. What do you think?
Yes, I think we have come very forward. ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Oh, we have come forward. Okay, still how many more minutes and kilometers?
30 kilometers. Around 40 minutes.
See, we had to go in one route and we missed, and we have come towards Nagendra to go to Magadi main road. So we have taken very wrong and very long route.
So
anyway, what I believe is whatever happens for good. What do you say, Alok?
Yes,
so it's okay, but a little petrol will go. Apart from that, everything is nice. I'll keep you updated. What do you say, Alok?
yes, for sure.
So Alok, we are seeing Lamborghini. What do you feel? Actually, Alok, in Bangalore, Lamborghini has become common. What do you say?
I don't think so.
We were supposed to go to Magadi main road,
But
we lost one road, and now we are going in Hassan Mangalore highway. So this road is actually very nice, but this is not our destination.
it's very long route actually.
Yeah. So what to do now, Alok?
You can't expect everything at the same time.
Correct. As my friend Alok said, you never know where your destination is. Sometimes you force yourself,
We need to take wrong routes also.
but I think there is a higher energy that will lead you to where you want to actually go in life. So don't force yourself. What do you say, Alok?
Sometimes we need to take wrong route as well. To reach the correct route.
Sometimes you need to go to wrong route to reach the right destination.
Do not send your life in a text message.
Today we are going to Magadi main road in order to see the resources, in order to see greenery that is there. I don't know, this is not a vlog, or we are not showing you places, or we are not showing you food items. It's just a break that we needed, so that is why we are taking a break. So Alok, you can tilt it there to show the greenery. You know, you can tilt it there. Yeah, see, it's so quiet. Yeah, you can tilt it back, Alok. So the city life is loaded with so much of sensory overload, too much noise, too much of brightness in bulbs and other stuff. Here, it's so quiet. It's been a long time I have heard something that is very quiet. So we'll experience different things as we go, different places. I am feeling hungry. Alok, come, I'll shoot you. So you'll also tell me, how are you feeling? Are you feeling hungry, Alok?
Yes, I am feeling hungry. Let's go in search of free food or a local food.
Okay, so let's go in search of some free food or local food nearby. Free food, where do we get free food?
Let's
Let's
go and search.
Let's go and search some temples. Yeah. Sometimes when you're lost and when you don't know what to do, I think it is better to take a break. So that is what we are doing today. We are taking a break. It feels so good to do nothing. People will always tell, keep doing something, keep hustling. There is so much of peace in doing nothing. So we are going in search of doing nothing. I don't know where we are going. We are just heading out. I think we are lost. But there is some peace and happiness in being lost. What do you say, Alok?
Yes.
now we have come to 1200 years old temple, that is Magadi Ranganatha Swami temple. But the timings is it closes at 1:30, so we are actually late. It is only because of you we are late, Alok.
Yes, it was because of me only.
Okay, we came in wrong route, right destination, but our destination is closed.
So we will be heading to another destination.
Yeah, we'll be heading to another destination. So the timings of this temple is from morning 8:30 to 1:30. Evening it again opens at 4:30. We don't have any work to do. We'll go around. If we are still here till 4:30, probably we'll come back and visit the temple. What do you say?
Yes.
ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ನೀವು?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಿದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಈಚಾರು ಕಾಯಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಏನು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಿದೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಕೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, 1.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತಾಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಮನೆ ತೆಗೆ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ರು. ಒಂದು 3-4 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ದೇವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ?
ಇದಾನೆ ಸರ್, ದೇವ್ರಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇರೋಕ್ಕಾಗದ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಕೋಡಿ ಬಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಮನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೋಡಿ ಬಿತ್ತು, ನೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಜ ಕೋಡಿ ಹೊಡೆದೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋಡಿ ಬಿಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಳೆನೇ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮಳೆ ನಿಂತಾಯಿತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ರಾಮನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡಿ ಹೊಡಿಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅನಾಹುತ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಅಣ್ಣ?
ರಾಜು.
ಯಾವ ಊರಿಂದ ಬರ್ತೀರಣ್ಣ?
ರಾಮನಗರ.
Just like how destiny plays a very important role, we have met one person called Kumar. So he is very sweet enough. Apart Magadi Ranganatha Swami temple is closed, so he was very sweet enough to show us one more temple. So you never know who will come in your life. ಅಣ್ಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಅದು?
ಸರ್, ಇದು ರಂಗಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸೀದಾ ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಚೌಟ್ರಿ ಕಟ್ಟಡ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಟ್ಟಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟ್ಲುಗಳಿದೆ. ಅದು ಪುರಾತನವಾದಂಥ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಮಾಗಡಿ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ದಿನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ತಿರುಪತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿನೇ ಬಂದು ದಾಸಪ್ಪನ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಂಕ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಸರ್.
ಓ, ಮಸ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಜಾಗ. So if you ever come to Magadi and Magadi Ranganatha Swami temple, this is the new thing that we found out, that is Alok ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ tilt ಮಾಡಿ. So there are stairs where you can climb up and you can actually see the entire complete view of Magadi Ranganatha Swami temple. And one interesting part that I want to tell in Jayanth'S Academy today is if I simply came to this place and I went back home thinking that it is closed, probably I would have not met a friend by the name Kumar, or probably I would have not found this place. So one suggestion that I want to give people is go out, talk to people, find places, network more. Trust me, there is happiness in this.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 8 ವರ್ಷ ಇದೆ.
Oh. Hello friends. I asked my dear friend to show the top view, and we have come to a very new temple that we had not seen. And I also realized our fitness is very bad. There we could see the Savandurga Betta, and also here if Alok can tilt, the oldest temple that is there, this is Kamba Narsimha Swami temple. Probably people would have not seen. So the local here says that you can also get the blessings of the god, and it is also a trekking place as such. So if you want a quick outing from the bustling city of Bangalore, you should visit Magadi Ranganatha Swami temple. ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಯಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
8 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ.
ಲೆಕ್ಕನೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ವಯಸ್ಸು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ?
ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ?
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ರ.
ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಜೀವನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿಗೆಲ್ಲ?
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತೀರಾ? ಮಕ್ಳು ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಏನಾದರೂ?
ಸತ್ತೋಯ್ತು ಮಗ ಇದ್ದ.
ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅವನಿಗೆ?
ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಇತ್ತು.
ಹೌದ್ರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ನಾವೇನು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದ್ರಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಗಣೇಶ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Who are these two people whom I met today? First, Kumar, I met him. He's not a friend or who is not anybody to us. Why did he take us and show different places? He shouldn't have done that. He had absolutely no expectations why he did that. But still he did that. And I'm feeling overwhelmed. And I'm feeling bad. We are heading to Savandurga now. And I'm feeling so emotional about this lady, Yelamma. It's like she has nobody to take care. She had a son who died because of some disease she mentioned. Mr. Alok.
Yes.
My stomach from past 3 hours is hungry, sir.
So where are we heading to now?
You should tell us, sir, where are we heading? I am hungry. Mr. Alok, what food you have ordered?
I have ordered
ಮುದ್ದೆ ಊಟ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಪಾತಿ ಊಟ.
chapati.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಗಡಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾವಂದುರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಟ್ಲದು? ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಊಟ ಒಂದು ಚಪಾತಿ ಊಟ.
ಯಾರೇ ಮಾಗಡಿ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಹಾಂ. We have finally arrived at Savandurga temple and also the world famous Savandurga trekking spot. So this is a famous trekking spot of Savandurga. You should come here probably at morning 6 o'clock or afternoon after 4 o'clock, or else you cannot climb this. So in few seconds we will show you Savandurga temple, the world famous heritage site Savandurga. So finally, we have come to the end of this small search for nothingness. I don't know where we came. We came to Magadi. We saw different places. We visited temples. We met a lot of good people. One thing that I have to say as a part of Jayanth'S Academy today is if you are too feeling negative, or if you feel burned out in your office workplaces, or you feel stuck inside your homes or wherever it is, probably you should take a break. World is not like as you see in televisions and newspaper. People by default are very helpful by nature. So that is what I found out today. You might disagree on this, which is very much welcome. So one takeaway is not everything could be purchased by money. So there are certain other things that money can't buy. We found out that. We came in search of different places, free food and stuff. I don't know whether it is coincidence or what. After we had lunch, immediately we found this temple where they were sweet enough to call us inside and offer free food. Although we cannot say no, we had buttermilk which was very tasty. So I have uploaded that in the video as well, you can see that. Finally, if you like our channel, you might well be thinking whether this is a philosophical channel or what is the aim of this vlog or J-log, Jayanth'S log of videos is. It's okay to do nothing. It's okay to take a break. It's okay to come out and explore different places. So my dear subscribers, if you did like whatever effort that we took today, please subscribe to our channel. So we are doing this for you. We love you so much, so please subscribe to our channel. So in the next vlog, we won't plan anything. We'll just take our car alongside my dear friend Alok, who is shooting this video. He was very sweet enough to join me in this particular venture. So we'll head out in different place, different people, and again our search for free places, free food will not stop. subscribe to Jayanth'S Academy. Thank you.